Area Trossard look to the come up for Pidgin. After match, Saka, how you see him. Arsenal won and Brentford won, and we get our guy Daffy. We be like say, now Ogbonge person and Ogbonge Arsenal fan make tell us about how we see this game. Okay, Daffy, your team last game against Everton, they lose am, but now they don't play better draw soup or bono where they miss with okra. We can get Periwinkle and a Sifinia, plenty things there inside. Now, how you see this result as an Arsenal fan?
The result to me is very, very poor. Arsenal, no, they don't perform the way I expected to perform. The ability as in, to play the match, I don't know what happened, but it's the match, not be the way I expected to be. The power, the flair, the passes and everything. Not be him. I not say, to me, I just see the match say we miss Gabriel. Because there's some things where we say Gabriel for do for this match. You know, that killer breaking and everything. The Keita no fit do am. The Keita try, I know they say Keita no try. But right now, we need Gabriel. Make Gabriel come step into the match to change things. So that's actually the match.
So with this one now, Arsenal drop points against Everton last week. They don't drop points today against Brentford. All these points where Arsenal they drop, how you think say it go affect the title race?
Actually, if Arsenal is step up their game, their next match win Man City, everything go clear. So if Arsenal go fit, just gather themselves up, the momentum and everything, may they play Man City like never before, then win Man City. We go get that point back. That particular point where we say we don't drop, we go collect them back. So like Man City, me and CC where be the next to contender for Arsenal. All the rest, they just a struggle for the top 4. So my honor, if we beat Man City next week, fine, we are good to go. So that's it.
So you see the confidence say Arsenal will win the league?
Yes. I see the confidence Arsenal will win the league. Because when you check them, anytime we lose, everybody will laugh, but finally, the result we will get for the next match, we will still see them to go fuck up. So if you look at the edge, that's grace there. Despite anything, Arsenal will still win the league.
All right, I'm more talking about Arsenal. This Arsenal new signing, Leandro Trossard. How you see, since Arsenal signed him, how you see the workings were in the show?
Since Arsenal signed the guy, from the very first game we played, that was against Man U. He showed himself, the goal was scored, the build-up, he was involved. The second match, the same thing. The only thing I can see inside say, our guy, Martinelli, he come like say, whether I have fear of Trossard, he affect him, because me I see say, he drop form. So anytime we put in Trossard, we see different. Anytime we put in Trossard, we see different. So the guy, to me, is a very, very good signing. So making just continue with this level. Like I said, this guy will be in limit. Now Martinelli, I call it fearful because Martinelli too, are my guy. So Trossard, a very good signing to me.
So we'll talk about Arsenal next game now. Arsenal go play Man City. How you see that one? Because some people they talk say that game be title decider. To you, that game might be the title decider. How you see it?
Nah, the title decider, no doubt. That game is the title. Because if you look at back to back now, Arsenal they play, not be the way we see them they play. So now they need to go back to the drawing board, sit down, then come out with a very, very good, game plan and win that match. That match na game decider. So if they really know say they want win this league, if they really know say the ball is in their hand, so they need to play now and win that match and not say yes, everything goes.
So what will be your prediction for that match?
Prediction for that match? I see I'm 2-0. 2-0, yes. Arsenal 2-0.
Arsenal go win for you.
Yes.
All right now. All right, okay, Daffy, thank you. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you now as we take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.